Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Binance account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Binance account on desktop, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in binance.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Binance displayed on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your phone number or email address and password associated with your Binance account and tap on Login. You can also log into your Binance account using your Google or Apple account as well. You can also scan a QR code to log into your Binance account. Here I'm gonna go with Google. Select your Google account and tap on it. You will be logged into your Binance account in no time. This is how you can log into your Binance account on desktop quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.